So here we complete our weaknesses. Okay. So
Marvelous.
if you check all of them, okay, all of them are connected to emotions. Clearly emotions. One more difficulty with routine.
Hmm. Hmm.
When you'll plan something, you would want to do something, you might do it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and then the routine is gone. है ना?
Hmm.
Because you know कि I set a routine, I can achieve my goals. Right now, if I'm not that driven, it's alright. I can lose on my routine, it's
Hmm.
alright. When I'll get that
Hmm.
drive, probably I will come back to my same posture, my same health, my same mental stability. Right now, let's just go with the flow. Okay, so a disciplined lifestyle or a disciplined work pattern or a monotonous living is not your type.
Okay, but there has to be like a, what do I say, a pattern to overcome this, to strengthen to
Of
what
course,
will
these are
be
your
your advice
weaknesses,
to me.
right? So there are ways to stop overthinking, how to not let yourself distracted, how to not take everything on yourself. Like criticism is criticism, लोग बोलते रहेंगे. How to give yourself a story that it should not affect you. Okay, how to create a routine, how much can you compromise on that routine. This everything will have some or the other solution. Okay, तो वो solution का session we'll have some other day
Hmm.
where we'll discuss everything, and then we'll discuss about to-do list, we'll discuss about vision board, we'll discuss about planners. एक सेकेंड ना. Am I looking swollen?
No.
No ना. वीडियो में सही है, सब सही है. My mom is like, your face is looking tired and ऐसा swollen सा.
I am looking bald.
Huh?
I said I am looking bald.
You are looking
Bald.
bald.
Ugly.
Bald.
Ugly.
Who?
Bald. Bald. Me. Who
Why? Why?
else?
Why? Why would you think that?
I
Miss
cannot ask a
Scorpion.
South Indian girl like you that you are looking bald.
Oh my god. ये तो मैं सपने में भी सोच सोच के हंस सकती हूँ.
I know, right?
चलो, two things done. Third is emotional intelligence. Now think of uh, what kind of emotions um, do you face? Like sometimes unnecessarily overwhelmed, or somebody has not done anything wrong to you, but I feel very irritated looking at them, or some people who are uh, too fishy, like they are very irritating to me, something like that. So just write your emotions, 1 2 emotions which you highly feel most of the time.
Like you want that one emotion that,
One or
like,
two emotions which you majorly feel.
I really get irritated with manipulators around me. You
Right,
know,
what is the
you know.
feeling around them? Disgust.
Sorry.
What is the feeling around them?
Like their thinking doesn't match with their words. Their intentions doesn't match with their actions. Okay. I get irritated with it. I get irritated with the people who are chasers. Like I can't
Chasers.
use that word.
Go
Like your mom
getters.
is around. Like I just don't want to use that word. Like
Chaser
I
as
really
in
get
chase. People who chase you.
no around like intentional chasing. Chartoon basically. Yes. Like
Okay. Okay.
that's thing. Then people who are people pleasers. You know. Like just a person who acts out of their personality.
Now don't talk
I,
about
I
different
can't I can't
personalities.
let
Think
that.
of your emotions which are majorly high. Like you are an empath.
I okay. So one emotion that is constant with me is I'm very very confused and moody all the time. Very moody.
Yeah.
Like first thing.
Moody.
Second, I do not know why, but in a good or a bad, both the situation, I am very overwhelmed all the time. Very overwhelmed. I don't know why, but I am in a good, bad, both the ways. I'm very, very overwhelmed.
Sensitive.
Very overwhelmed. Yeah. Mm, and specifically in terms of EQ, I am not बोलते ना जब मेरे को सेंस नहीं करने हो रहा मैं कौन से वर्ड्स में उसको पुट आउट करूँ. I don't even know that what the सामने वाला person has done to me, but I'm still half of the time mad over that person. You know, like
Attached.
how do I?
Attached. Emotionally attached.
Like I read intentions. You know, like I genuinely read intentions, and then I'll be like all the time.
That
And
is
then I'll
social
just make.
awareness.
Sorry.
That's called social awareness.
So I think yeah, I deal with
Okay.
this emotions.
Chalo, I'll tell you your emotions now.
Okay.
One is
So
empathy.
this is
है ना? Empathetically, तो this is your highest highlight in your whole persona.
personality.
Empathetic. You can understand people, be it Sandesh, be it me, be it Preeta. We are all different personalities, right? When
Right.
you're talking to Preeta, you will understand what is Preeta's mindset right now. Relate to her, talk to her. If she's getting vulnerable, you can suggest few things. You can advise. You can. It's not that अरे ये तो 50 साल की है, मैं तो 20 में हूँ, इसके साथ में क्या ही relate करूँ. It's not like that. When you're talking to anybody of any age, of any background, okay, you will not talk nonsense. You will talk relatable stuff. Okay, you will not make that person feel कि यार इस you are very approachable. Okay, there are people जिनके सामने कोई कुछ भी बताना नहीं चाहेगा.
True. Very true. I can mute my personality. Yes.
So you are that person to whom a lot of people would call and tell you, I want to talk to you. Sandesh, come meet right now. Sandesh. So yeah, so empathetic are very approaching people, very positive vibe people. Okay, right.
Okay.
Social awareness.
So, okay.
What is social awareness?
I am kind of not aware what that actually means. Like, okay.
लिखा?
Yeah.
You can read non-verbal cues.
I can read non-verbal
cues. बोला नहीं है, पर मेरे को समझ रहा है. I can read you. You are lying. Okay? Or I can read somebody is just talking manipulative stuff. ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. Okay? This everything comes from your judgmental skills. Okay? So people when they body language. When you learn body language हमें पता चलता है ना ज़्यादा खुश आ रहा है, कितना झूठ बोल रहा है, कितना ब्लिंक कर रहा है ना, पता चल जाता है. Even if we have not learned anything about body language, girls do have that intuitive feelings about people who are talking to them on a regular basis. नहीं आज कुछ तो गड़बड़ है ना. So in your case that is high. Your social awareness is very high. You're talking to somebody, still you will have that peripheral vision to somebody else who's standing there. का behavior proper read हो रहा है ना, happens.
Oh God, I don't even know why are you even telling me that. We've already spoken about this thing. Yeah, right.
So
True.
these are your qualities. Like not everybody will have that. साबुन slow वाले तो can't do that. Okay, so these are unique qualities, okay, which you can improvise. When you know these things, when you know these terms, कि मेरे में है ये चीज़, I should focus on this. This is going to help me. A lot of data is collected because of this quality of mine. Okay, I can use this data later on, right? When you're aware about people, when you are not even talking to people, you are just judging people, and you know that something is not right, you can make up a lot of things before things can happen. Like, you know things are going to go wrong, let's not move in that direction. And that is social awareness. समझा? समझा?
Sorry?
समझा social
Samjha,
awareness.
samjha,
Next.
samjha.
Next is effective communication. Effective
Again.
communication, yeah, I told you, right? You know how to talk to right people with the right kind of emotion, right? You know a person is low in energy, you will know how to talk to that person. Okay, this is also a part of your emotion, that you can relate to that person. If you don't know your low keys, low vibes, your low keynotes, you will never be able to connect with the other person, right? We know what is menstruation, right? So we can relate to all the girls about menstruation, right?
Hmm.
For a guy to understand what is menstruation, it is difficult because they haven't gone through the process, right? So for you, even if you have not been into a particular situation, you can still relate. For example, if an entrepreneur is talking to you, okay, not talking about empathy, I'm talking about in general, an entrepreneur is talking to you about business, about something which you have not experienced yet, still you'll be able to relate with that person and communicate effectively, because your study, your exposure, the kind of interest that you have will somewhere give you knowledge in your unconscious mind that okay, इस बारे में बात करना है मेरे पास topic. So effective communication plays a role in emotional, talks also. Okay, when you are wanting to express yourself the right way. Conflict resolution. Now we spoke about conflict resolution in your weakness, है ना, where you um, try to ignore confrontation to maintain that harmony. Okay, but here in your emotional intelligence, how are you using conflict resolution is the empathetic nature and the communication skill that you have. Okay, when there is a conflict happening, you know where to raise your volume, you know where to soften yourself, है ना. So instead of just running for solution at that moment, okay, you would know कि सामने वाला क्या बोल रहा है, शायद मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा है. Okay, you would just continue the conversation just by saying I understand. You are not understanding anything. For example, probably some person is talking about a conflict that happened in their marriage or wherever, office, or you are not relating to anything. Okay, but you can see the person is on their low note. Okay, you will only say I understand. Okay, you want that person to vent हो जाएगा, normal हो जाएगा, things will clear out on its own, you need not advise also, right? So you know where to talk, what to talk, when to talk, like that. Okay, so conflict resolution need not mean कि तू हर चीज़ का solution दे. There is an emotion which is running very for example, someone is a very soft person, okay, and that softness has caused that person a lot of harm, okay, and that person is just crying, because they have piled up their emotions, okay, and the person has burst out in front of you, and you're like, I have never seen this side of the person, okay, and you are not understanding what the situation is, but you will only make sure that the person is not stopping, he's venting, she's venting, let's just Anid Bharan, I'm there to listen, I'm all yours, just go on talking. Samjha? You need not give the solution. It's like that. Conflict resolution. Okay? Then emotional intelligence in your team collaboration. How do you work in a team? More than solo job, you would like to work in a collaborative environment.
True, very true.
है ना? Talk to people, understand their personalities, delegate the job. You do this the right way, I do this the right way. Let's divide. Let's get the right output, better output, good quality. Okay, you will not be the person, अरे तेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा दीदी, मेरे को भी दे दे, सब मेरे को दे दे, मैं करता हूँ. You know, there are some kind of people who are like, I am the best, so let me do everything. तुम लोग अपना अपना नाम लगा देना बाद. It's not like that.
My ex-boss.
हाँ,
My ex-boss.
he was like that.
Yeah.
So it says, thrive in collaborative environment, leveraging their understanding of emotions to foster teamwork and cooperation. मतलब, you're good at judging, right? So you would know what kind of a person will have what kind of qualities.
Like proper staffing. Like, you know, what who will
Delegating.
do what. Yes, yes.
Delegating. That can also depend through your emotional perception. Need not be only too practical. Okay, कि technical job तेको देना है, creative इसको देना है. That can go through emotions also. Okay, then inspiring leader.
Sorry?
An inspiring leader,
Oh, okay.
because you can empathize with people. People will relate with you so well that they will see you as an inspiring personality. They would always want to learn something from you. They will always look up to you. Okay, कि कुछ सीखना है, इससे सीखना है. समझा? तो that is your appealing approach, your good communication skill, your empathetic nature that makes you a very good leader. So when you are in a leadership position, when you are in a teamwork position, when you are in a social gathering, you thrive. When you get attention, when there are a lot of people who can praise you, when they know your qualities, you thrive. Isolation may give me a cabin, I will sit there, do my job, I will come 8 hours, I will sit in a cabin and go. I am not that kind of person. I want people around me. Samjha? Like that. Here we complete your emotional intelligence. 6 points लिखा?
Likha, likha.
क्या क्या लिखा?
Social awareness, effective communication, conflict resolution, team collaboration, and inspiring leader. There was one more. Empathetic के ऊपर कुछ था. The first one.
Empathetic, social awareness, effective communication,
Right. Yeah,
team
yeah. So
collaboration,
I've
inspiring.
written.
So this is your emotions, like how can you use your emotion in different places. Now we'll talk about your stress ka response. If you are in a stressful situation, how do you respond? Okay,